During his live stream, Skoosta Klee casually dropped the bomb that he's open to collaborating with the nation's girl group, BINI. But what really shocked fans was when he played a remix version of First Love with his own verse part in it. The remix had that signature Skoosta vibe. Smooth, chill, and catchy, blending surprisingly well with BINI's fresh and pop sound. Fans who tuned in were quick to react and amazed.
Ako? Joanna talaga, pre. Yung Joanna. Iba talaga yun. Pero ano, sa akin na lang yun. Kumbaga, soon gusto kong maano yung BINI. Gusto kong makulab. Tapos may trinay, itong last song nila, ewan ko kasama to sa album nila, pero itong song nila, trinay ko na ano, na i-duet. Yeah. So parang trinay ko na lagyan ng verse. Pero ito yung parang tunog niya. Kung sakaling halimbawa, yung BINI tas yung Skoosta Klee, merong collab. Ito yung magiging tunog niya. Hindi yan.
Ay, mali.
Ito. No! Uy! Hindi yan. Ito. Blooms po ba kayo? 2 taon na po kaming Blooms. Kasi bakit? Sino putang ina ibang girl group na magre-represent? BINI lang.
Magko-Coachella pa sila, diba?
Magko-Coachella pa sila. Ano kayo tanga? Ano kayo tanga? Ha?
Coachella yun.
Hindi nyo ba alam? Nire-represent ang Pinas ng BINI? Ha?
As of now, there's no confirmation if this remix will be officially released. But the buzz online shows that many people are already loving the idea of a BINI Skoosta Klee crossover. So, what do you think, guys? Would you like to see a real collab between Skoosta Klee and BINI? Comment your thoughts below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.